The manufacturing of extruded snacks is a high-temperature, short-time process that uses a food extruder to cook and shape a mixture of ingredients. Let's understand step by step. Step 1. Ingredients preparation. Everything starts with the ingredients, mostly starch-based materials such as corn, wheat, rice, potato, or tapioca. These are milled into coarse flour or grits to ensure uniformity. Along with this, water flavorings and nutritional additives are carefully measured for the next stage. Step 2. Mixing and conditioning. In the mixer, the dry ingredients are blended, water and steam are added to bring moisture content between 14 to 20%. This is called conditioning, a key step that softens the mix and begins the starch gelatinization, setting the stage for perfect puffing later. Step 3. Extrusion cooking. Next comes the heart of the process, the extruder. Inside a rotating screw pushes the mixture to a barrel under extreme pressure, heat and shear. Temperatures can reach 130 to 180 degrees, fully gelatinizing starch and creating a molten dough-like mass. Step 4. Shaping and expansion. At the barrel's end, the hard dough is forced through a die that shapes it into curls, rings, or sticks. The moment it exists, the pressure drops suddenly. The trapped superheated water flashes into steam, causing the snack to puff into its light and crispy form. A rotating cutter trims them into size. Step 5. Drying. Freshly extruded snacks called extrudates still hold about 6 to 8% moisture. To make them shelf stable and crunchy, they pass through hot air dryers at around 180 degrees for 4 to 6 minutes, reducing moisture to below 2%. Step 6. Seasoning and packaging. Finally comes the flavor magic. Oil is sprayed to help seasoning like cheese, onion, or spices stick to the surface. After cooling, the snacks are packed often with nitrogen flushing to lock in freshness and extend shelf life. And that's the journey of extruded snacks from simple grains to crispy, crunchy bites. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.